Hi, I'm Shashank, and today we're discussing a crucial topic that affects millions of families across India: cancer and insurance coverage. Before we begin, I want to introduce you to Ditto, your trusted insurance advisory platform. We're backed by Zerodha and have 10,000 plus reviews on Google. At Ditto, we believe everyone deserves access to transparent, unbiased insurance guidance, especially when dealing with serious health conditions. So head to the link in the description and book your free chat with our advisors. Let me take you through some statistics. The numbers tell a sobering story about cancer's impact in our country. This translates to roughly 100 people out of every 1 lakh receiving this life-changing diagnosis. Even more concerning is that 1 in 9 Indians will develop cancer during their lifetime. Looking at specific demographics, lung cancer predominantly affects our male population, while breast cancer remains the most common among women. For children aged 0 to 14 years, lymphoid leukemia possesses the greatest threat. Cancer has become the second leading cause of death in India, accounting for 18.1% of all deaths, and experts project a 12.8% increase in cases by 2025. Let's talk about what this means for insurance coverage. While most health insurance policies in India now cover cancer diagnoses that occur after policy purchase, the situation becomes significantly more complicated for those already diagnosed with cancer. Here's the harsh reality. Obtaining a comprehensive personal health insurance plan after a cancer diagnosis is nearly impossible. Insurance companies view these cases as high risk due to increased likelihood of hospitalization and frequent treatments. It's crucial to understand that concealing a cancer diagnosis isn't an option. Such a non-disclosure is considered fraud and can result in claim denials, policy cancellation, and loss of all paid premiums. However, there are several paths forward for those already diagnosed with cancer. First, the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, that is PMJAY. This offers hope for eligible low-income families and senior citizens over 70. The scheme covers cancer treatment without considering it a pre-existing condition. Many states also offer their own healthcare schemes. For instance, Maharashtra's MPJAY provides free coverage up to 5 lakhs for state residents, though the quality of care and hospital networks may be limited. Let's dive deep into insurance options available for cancer patients and survivors. Group health insurance offers one of the most promising paths for cancer patients. Here's why. Now, if you're employed, your employer's group health insurance policy could be your strongest ally. These corporate policies typically offer several advantages: immediate coverage for pre-existing conditions, including cancer, no waiting periods for treatment, more comprehensive coverage compared to individual policies, and often includes family members under the same policy. But employment isn't the only way to access group insurance. Consider these alternative sources: bank-based group insurance programs like college alumni associations, professional organizations, and trade groups. These group policies generally feature more flexible underwriting guidelines. They are more likely to accommodate pre-existing conditions also. Coverage terms may vary, but they often provide essential benefits. Now, moving on, Star Health's Cancer Care Platinum is one of the few specialized policies designed specifically for cancer patients. Let's examine the features and limitations in detail. Its key features are: it has comprehensive cancer-specific benefits and it's available even after diagnosis. However, there are important considerations to understand. It has mandatory co-payment structure which is required for all policyholders aged 61 and above. This means sharing a portion of every medical expense. There are some coverage restrictions here as well, like no restriction benefits after claim. Once you use your coverage, it doesn't reset, and low no-claim bonus of only 5% with maximum bonus cap at 50%. Despite these drawbacks, Star Cancer Care Platinum remains a popular choice primarily due to the scarcity of alternatives in the market. However, there's a room for improvement in their operational performance and customer service. Now, Care Freedom Plan. The Care Freedom Plan presents a unique option for those in remission, but it comes with specific conditions and limitations, which are: the policyholder must be in remission for more than 2 years and must have clean health record aside from the cancer history. But it comes with its own limitation. Permanent exclusion of cancer-related conditions, co-payment requirements for hospitalization are some of these. Now, some of the things that you might want to consider is, because of multiple pre-existing conditions, it may lead to rejection, so this should be considered as a last resort option. This plan can help cover non-cancer related medical expenses. Now on to public sector insurance companies. Public sector insurance companies offer another avenue for coverage, including New India Assurance, United India Insurance, and Oriental Insurance. These insurers might provide coverage under specific conditions. Person must be in complete remission for at least 2 years. They must have medical documentation of recovery along with clear follow-up reports. However, be aware of these factors. Coverage is typically not comprehensive. Claim processes can be challenging. Customer service may not be as good as the private sector standards. There is limited digital infrastructure and processing time may take longer than usual. Now that we covered cancer from the perspective of health insurance, let's switch the focus to term insurance. Now, regarding life insurance, the situation mirrors health insurance because while existing policies will honor claims of cancer is diagnosed after purchase, obtaining new coverage after diagnosis becomes extremely challenging. Again, there is a small window of opportunity after 2 to 3 years of complete remission. During this time, individuals might consider smaller sum insured endowment or money back policies. While these come with higher premiums, they can provide some level of coverage. The message we need to take away from today is both urgent and clear. Securing comprehensive health and term life insurance while in good health isn't just a financial decision. It's a crucial step in protecting your family's future. Cancer doesn't just affect our health, it affects and devastates our financial stability. To every viewer watching this video who has been affected by cancer, either personally or through a loved one, we understand the overwhelming nature of both medical and financial challenges you're facing. You're not alone in this journey. And to those who are healthy today, let this be your wake-up call. The time to secure your insurance coverage is now, while you have the most options available to you. Don't wait until it's too late. Find the link in the description and book a free chat with our advisors today. Remember, at Ditto, we are here to guide you through these crucial insurance decisions with empathy, expertise, and transparency. Happy insurance hunting.